It's your boy here, K20, about to do some crazy patches for y'all. And you know what today's patch is going to be? Kamen Rider Zeztz. It's Zeztz something, okay? I don't know how to say it right. But this is the first Kamen Rider that is going to be broadcast in the Western area. So we in America will get our first official Kamen Rider since Ryuki, okay, aka Knight, and that's amazing to say. But with that, I am happy to be the one to create the first patch y'all see of Zeztz. I'll be the only one to create an amazing patch of Zeztz. Phone, I need you to relax. I know you're excited too. But with that, right over here, you will see the program of the patch being made on the program. The program version, I love that way of y'all showing it, that how it looks on the program, and then we go straight into my machines working on it. Thank you guys. No, real talk. Before you even click away from this video, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And also, do check out my social media where I work on so many posts. I try to get myself out there to all y'all amazing Toku fans. And with that, I also do recommend you to go check out my Etsy page where you can order your own patch we just saw today, and hold on, any of the patches from other series. What more can I say? Go check out my Discord. It will be linked in the description below, where you yourself can join a community of great, amazing